what are Brazilian truck stops like? Dare I say, better than the United States. Cycling. Hey, right there, that's even better already. Ah, tea leaves. So, we don't have this in America. Brazilian truck stops. You grab your card, your own little barcode, and dude, they're like full-on buffets. We don't have this shit in America. Cheesecake? I mean, seriously. Oh, dude, we got gelato. Dude, we definitely don't have this in America. Let's see. Grab some fresh squeezed juice. Sounds like a plan. People don't know what other countries are like in America. Yeah, so.
Agora só isso mesmo?
Perfetto, sì, solo adesso. Obrigado.
Se quiser pegar um copo, tem aqui, tá?
Yes, very different than truck stops in America. You can get yourself some espresso. Yeah, I have to say, better. Pistols. See this one, $4.99. Oh no, $24.99. Okay, I was gonna say that's really cheap. $4.99 would be like $90. But no, it's more than that. Get your kids some toys. I mean, they have everything. Coolest part is fresh squeezed juice. Get yourself a real bottle of liquor at the truck stop. Fresh cheese. Ooh, good cheese too. Oh yeah, it's the first time I've seen lattes in Brazil. Cool. Pretty cool. Very interesting.